Salutations, crustaceans. I'm Lobster, and today we're swapping some pickups. Let's do this. This is a bass that we haven't seen in a very long time. This is my FGN, or FGN, Geddyzilla Neoclassic Jazz Bass. This is only one of 6 in this particular finish combination, and other than the looks, it actually has no real resemblance or connection to Geddy Lee at all. The Fender Geddy Lee signature actually uses 70s pickup spacing, where the bridge pickup is a little bit closer to the bridge, and comes stock with a high mass bridge, where this comes with a regular Fender style bridge. I've actually swapped out the bridge on this bass with a Hipshot Kickass, and I've been digging it so far. This is nothing special. This is just an FGN Neoclassic, which is a great instrument, don't get me wrong, but when someone buys a Geddy Lee bass, they want a Geddy Lee sound. So I thought to myself, how are we going to make that happen? Well, I did a little bit of searching, and I stumbled upon Tom Brantley. He is Geddy Lee's pickup winder, and he actually produces a Geddy Lee spec jazz bass pickup set. These pickups are spec'd exactly the same as Geddy Lee's 72 jazz bass, which Tom Brantley rewound the pickups for. So today, we're going to swap out the pickups on Geddyzilla and see if we can give it a little bit more zing. But first, we're going to check out what it sounds like with the stock electronics. Well, enough talking. Let's play this thing. You guys know what you need to do. Go ahead and pinch that like button so my hand will turn back to normal. Thanks. Oh man, this thing is so much fun to play. This is in fact my only jazz bass, my only traditional jazz bass. I have jazz bass-ish basses like this one over here, my FGN Expert, and maybe some other one lying around here. But this is my only traditional jazz bass, and I love it. So these pickups don't sound bad by any means. I'm just curious to see what these Brantley pickups are going to sound like. So let's check out these pickups quickly before we go ahead and do this swap. So the controls here are a traditional jazz bass control setup where you have a volume tone, but the tone knob is a push-pull that gives you a series parallel option. Right now these pickups are running in parallel, and then you pull it, they run in series, and things get a little bit spicy. Here, let me show you real quick. So off the bat, this does have a little bit of extra versatility as compared to a traditional jazz bass. Now here's what the neck pickup sounds like soloed real quick. Ooh. Single coil hum. Can't do anything about it. here's the bridge pickup real quick. And for reference, here's both pickups with the tone all the way up, one more time. Next, we're going to go ahead and swap these pickups. I'll be right back. And we're back. I have successfully swapped in the Tom Brantley Geddy Lee pickups into Geddyzilla. So let's see what it sounds like. Okay, not bad. Now let's go ahead and put this in series. Oh wait, no, that was in series. Let's go ahead and put this in parallel. Very nice. So let's look at that a little bit closer. Here's some footage back to back. Not bad. The improvement is subtle, but it's there. I guess one final question remains. How did she slap? Very nice. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, subscribe, join our Discord, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the pickup swap with Geddyzilla and the Tom Brantley pickups. And as always, until we groove again.